Hey, welcome to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the MG Gundam Vidar from the Iron-Blooded Offense. Special thanks to Gundam Hangar for the collaboration. Gundam Hangar is an online store that ships across Canada and the US at flat rates. If you're part of GTA Ontario, they offer free delivery for purchases over $150. Some areas may have an additional shipping fee. Check out the website for other details. Just looking at the box and runners, I can tell this is gonna take me weeks to complete. Let's take a quick look at what's inside. There's the signature Vidar blue, some frame parts, and a few clear pieces. Like the Babatos, this kit leaves a lot of the inner frame, tubing, and piston caps visible, so if you want the details to pop, you really have to paint everything. Some people like to build the inner frame first and put on the armor after. I just built accordingly to the menu. If you know me, you will know I only paint real grade, master grade, or perfect grade, since those are the ones I actually display. Okay, don't laugh. I really did my best on this, but hey, you won't even see him once he's sitting in the cockpit anyway. So many people told me this frame is fully reused from the Babatos, but honestly, I think it's because they both carry that Ippei Gyobi vibe, and they end up looking similar in a lot of ways. The shoulder mounts, chest pieces, feet and shins are quite different. It still holds on to that IBO aesthetic, with lots of visible mechanic, tubing, and piston detail throughout. Didn't repaint the silver, it's the only runner I left alone. There's actually quite a bit of touch-up work along the way. I know most of the inner frame won't show in the end, but I guess I'm just a little stubborn. Even if no one else sees it, I'll know it's there. I've always been a fan of Babatos frame because of how detailed it is, so seeing a frame like this with that same kind of feel is super satisfying. I'm using Mr. Color's Super Metallic 2 Super Gold 2 for the touch-up. The shoulder joint's articulation has been upgraded for better movement. I repainted the inner frame with Gaia Color 20 gunmetal. I really like how the piston slides out from the tube and clicks into place. It adds a nice mechanical touch. The hunter edges on the toes and heels can be deployed. The armor behind the knees and the verniers move together as the legs bend. I'm skipping the other leg since you have already seen how it's done. These are the side skirts, and I think they're fairly large, with layered armor detail plates and some cool mechanical detail underneath. These slim parts are the daggers. They tuck right into the side skirts. The double hinge joints let the side skirt swing outward with 2 points of articulation, while the ball joints on the top add some rotational movement. Finally done, but the blue isn't what I wanted. I used Mystic Color 72 Intermediate Blue. Gotta have to repaint it with Gundam Color UG14 for a brighter look. What a headache! Taking off all the blue isn't fun at all. What do you think? I like this way more, but it's a pain putting it back together. It took me forever to figure out how to put them back on. This backpack has a back-mounted thruster unit, and it's got a touch of metallic paint detailing on the vents. And then there's the long rifle, plus the 2 handguns. There's a whole bunch of leftover pieces at the end. I didn't realize so many of them weren't even needed. What do you think of this blue? I'm glad I repainted it. If you like iron-blooded offense or just a good MG kit, Gundam Vidar is a solid pick. It looks awesome, and posting it is a blast. The only hassle I had was repainting the blue, but overall I love it. That's it for today, and if you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Thanks for hanging out. See you next time.